Hey, I'm Chris. Welcome to Fun Cooking. Thank you for joining us. Today we're gonna make croissants. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below for any future requests on videos. So let's get started with our croissants. Alright guys, come over and look at our ingredients. We're gonna get started. Hey guys, so we're back. We're about to roll out our dough. We got it made. Right here, we let it sit out for about an hour. So now it's ready to be rolled out. We'll add butter to each layer. You'll see what I mean in a second. Follow along with us. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Make sure to tune in to see how these croissants turn out. Alright, thanks for tuning back in. We got our dough out from the freezer, and now we're gonna roll it out, and then we're gonna cut our shape into our croissant. So let's get started with rolling it out. Alright, now we rolled out our dough, we're gonna cut it into 12 pieces. Join us. We're gonna roll our croissants. We're gonna add a filling of chocolate, and we're gonna show you how to do that right here. Hey guys, we finished our croissants. They're nice and baked. We glazed them with some egg yolk. We just whisked an egg, and with a brush, we put the egg over the croissants before we put them in the oven. You can take a look at our croissants. They're nice and finished. We cooked them for 20 minutes. We put the oven temperature on 350. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris. This is Fun Cooking. Like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below.